welcome back to Do It Myself Garage. This video is starting out almost exactly the same as the last one, except it's about 4 or 5 hours later in the day and it's a lot warmer. We are going to a car show that starts at noon today, and it's a little bit closer too. It's only up here in Rice and not in Little Falls, Minnesota today. So enjoy the quick ride, and we're going to Shepherd of the Pines Church. Nolan, a young man from our car club, is doing a car show at their church. So we want to support him. So that's where we're headed this morning. Cars are already showing up. It's not even noon yet, so I'll try to get this in real quick before the music starts back up. I will go around and do a bunch of videos of the actual cars, and obviously I have to overlay some music again, so I apologize for that. where Nolan got the bug. This is his grandpa's car. And Nolan's Mustang's behind that. And then Nolan's car is behind that. We'll get over there in just a second and film that. So this is Nolan's 47 Windsor. Beautiful car. He can't even drive it yet. The kid's only 15, and he has a Mustang too. Well, not a Mustang 2, but a Mustang also. 68 Mustang. So obviously the family helps him get it here because he can't drive yet. But that's awesome. These cars up here by the front were the committee members that started the car show, led by Nolan. Huh. GTO. Kind of partial to these. Yeah, that's a beautiful car. And a Corvette.
Yeah, it's pretty small, but nice to see.
Had a few stragglers come in here at the end. I actually had one sneak out on me before I could get over here and film, but pretty good turnout for the first car show. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.